So back in 2016, that girl right there, we took her to this nice surf project where they were doing something with this organization called Soul Hope, and we didn't know anything about it. So what we learned is that over in Uganda, they make shoes for the young and the elderly. So they get these things in their feet called jiggers, and it's a foot disease. And so what they do is they have teams over there that are cleaning them, cleaning their feet, cleaning the jiggers out, and then also, you know, teaching them cleanliness and how to keep it clean. And then they're also employing people to take jean material. So you'll see that in the video. So what you can do is they have an online kit that you can host a party, and then they give you everything you need. They give you templates, and then that kit pays for the first 5 shoes. And then each shoe after that is, I think, $14 each for a donation. So what you do is you send the materials plus the donations, which gives them enough money to make the actual shoe. Now, if you just, I don't even think they would take it, but if you just sent the templates, you know, they would have all these templates and then no money to actually make the shoe. So it's a combo thing. So I'm pretty sure I do not have record, which is really weird of me that I didn't record something or take a picture of something. But from the donation that we made and the kit that we bought, I think we did 14 shoes out of the 25 that we were hoping to do, which is still pretty amazing. And it was a great thing that we did together as a family. The kids were a little bit little, so, and I only had one really good pair of like sewing scissors. So they basically just traced all the templates on every single pair of jeans. And then I spent the last few nights, which you'll see in the video, cutting everything out. And then we sent everything in. And I'm not 100% that it was my idea for my birthday, because I had just turned 40 and I just thought it would be a great idea. I'm assuming that's probably what happened. But again, it was 5 years ago and I'm just now getting around to the video. So here it is. Also, one little note, I didn't realize that we were playing music in the background, which we always do. And just, you know, 5 years later, I'm looking at all the videos and realizing I can't use any of that audio because it has music in it from somebody else and they're probably not going to grant it, or they're going to just copyright, and so I don't want to get flagged. So I'm just going to put a video over it so you can't hear any of our commentary, which is unlike us, but at least you get to see what we're doing and kind of the process of doing it. So we didn't actually host a party, but we kind of did like a virtual one, since we gathered donations from posting online and then did all the work ourselves. But you can do it where you can have people come over, help you cut all the stuff out, and then make the donations that go with each shoe. So I'm going to put a link to Soul Hope in the description of the video. And then if you have any questions about the process, or like, you know, what good ages there are, obviously you can see Cole is tracing the templates, but Ross is basically holding his hand so we don't mess it up. And then we also use Sharpies, which I think pen would have been better because some of it did leak through. So I did see an email to the people letting them know that some of it leaked through, and so we wouldn't be able to use it. So I just redid them, which was a lot of work, but at least I can make sure that I know that the shoes that we sent, or the templates that we sent, were able to actually make shoes. So if you have any questions, just put them in the comments. Hope you guys enjoy. That's a good one, Regan.
Okay,
Okay, go.
let's do it.
What did you find, baby? Good one?
Yeah.
Because it was heavy, Reagan. Come on, do pull-ups. Show me some pull-ups. Ugh. Dude, 1,000.
Wait, I want to try.
Watch Chloe's.
My left arm is gonna get more extra. kid stuff.